Good morning, this is Randy Schuneman with Bulldog Rooter. Today's date is July 31st, 2017. And we're going to do a video inspection with the line at 2624 East Rowan Avenue in Spokane, Washington. I'm out here with Zach Rose and Levi Karthman. We've been out here a couple hours jetting this line. In fact, probably a little bit closer to 2.5, almost 3 hours. We've cabled this line repeatedly the other day, and you'll see what we were dealing with here. But I'm out only about 58 feet. What we're looking at right now is the sewer that runs east and west down Rowan, and it drops in straight from the top. So what you're seeing is water coming down the main line and dropping into the sewer, and as we pull back, this will clear off the camera lens and we'll be able to see what we've got here. Right here at about, here we go, right here at about 52 feet we go into a lateral, and we're going to keep pulling back towards the house. We're in a concrete sewer line. There's the drop there. We've got a little bit of a belly right here. My camera lens is about 1.5 inches deep. We've got a mild separation that we can see today. We're in a concrete line, thank goodness. And we're pulling back here. We just passed the 50-foot mark. We've got some remnant roots here. Bottom of the pipe is where the water's at in my camera lens, where the light is. So that'll be on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see that change a little bit as we pull back. We've got a little bit of remnant root here. It's actually growing. Get a little bit closer here. Through the seam here where they put two pieces together, possibly through the pipe. Pulling back here. Here's a remnant root intrusion. Another remnant at this joint. We just passed the 40-foot mark. Got another little minor one here. Got a little bit of a root ball hanging on here. These root intrusions were so big when we were out here on Friday 3 days ago, you could barely get a cable through, and we'd cabled it about 4 times. A little bit of a remnant there, 33 feet. Here's 30 feet right here. Here's one of the larger ones that's bugging the heck out of me. And here's another one. You can see we've stripped all the protective coating off these roots, but they are still there. What we're going to do is poison this line, and we're going to come back in about a week and see if we can get this out of here with a larger blade. Here's another remnant one right here at about 26 feet from the clean out. Here's another one that's really bugging the snot out of me at about 24 feet. We're trying to get these out so we can inspect the top of the pipe. This is a real bad one right here at about 22. Leftover one at 20. Everything else in the line looks pretty good. We've got nice grade and everything. Here we are coming up on 10 feet right here. Right here's where we transition. We've got a bunch going on here. This is the iron where it leaves the house, drops into this big concrete line. We're now under the foundation wall, coming back towards the clean out, and here we are. I was off by about 2 feet, 3 feet on my measurements. I had reset it at the invert, but we're a little bit over there. This is where we're working from in the clean out in the basement. Let me pull back here just a little bit, give you a little aspect here. Again, this is Randy Schuneman from Bulldog Rooter with Zach Rose and Levi Karthman. Today's date is July 31st, 2017, and that'll conclude the video inspection at 2624 East Rowan Avenue, Spokane, Washington. Thank you for choosing Bulldog Rooter.